Greetings and welcome to another part of the Project Replicator and also the last part of the Project Replicator. In today's video, we will take a look at the last thing that is missing, which is the side panels. After that, the model would be complete and we can take a look how it actually turned out.
Okay, so we are back in Creo, hopefully for the last time in this project, and now we have to take a look at those side blocks, which basically are all those, and those will be the main focus of today's episode. So we have to basically make this subassembly once again left and right. Then we have to print this assembly twice, and then two individual blocks that will be attached here simply to serve as a support. So those are all the parts that we have to print. So let's get straight to it.
And here we go. Here are the pieces for the sides. Two supports and two little supports. So once again, I will glue it together and then we'll assemble it. Here we are with the model. Both side panels are here. As you can see, I disassembled the secondary wings simply because I want to have clearance to actually attach those sides, and that wouldn't be possible with those wings there. So I will only put them to place and then once again apply glue, so it wouldn't be very exciting, but I will do it. And okay. Okay, that's one side. And the second one. Now we will wait some time before the glue solidifies and then reattach the secondary wings. So it's been some time now. Hope everything holds as it's supposed to. So Well, and that kind of means that the repli is done. So I will move him here. And so this is the entire replicator assembled. So this is it. Now, when I have it finished, a few words that I would like to say. First thing is that, well, this is my very first design that I made for a 3D printing. So it's expected that it's not perfect. Uh, it turned out that this design is indeed not perfect, mainly because so large need of gluing things together. This is why I don't really like this design. This is something I did not really consider how much gluing there would be needed. So that's the one thing. The second thing is because how it is big, it's a little bit heavier than I expected. As a matter of fact, it's so heavy that the legs actually won't support its weight at all. They could have if I glue them, then sure, but I don't want to do that. I want them to be flexible, to be poseable, so that I can uh, pose the replicator in various poses. That I think is better because it's designed as a stationary model. So why not? So that's that. The other thing that I would like to say is that because of how the design went out and how I wasn't really that satisfied with how it went, I already started designing Mark II, and the Mark II replicator will continue on this playlist. First, I will show you the design because I already did it. But right now I can tell you that it's quite similar as the Mark One, though it has few differences. Mainly, it has short legs, but the main difference is that the entire replicator is buildable or possible to be assembled without a single drop of glue. Everything fits together just like a Lego. Well, that I suppose is it. And before we go, I will give you a few detailed shots of the entire applicator, and that's it. That is the end of this project, and I hope that we will see each other in the different in other projects that I have, and maybe someday with Mark II. Thank you anyway, and bye bye.